My name is Mark Anderson. I'm a Senior Vice President at Corporate Woodworking. In our industry, there's a lot of companies that operate as brokers, salespeople. They see projects that are out there to bid, and they come into it as companies who can supply materials. Corporate Woodworking is more of an engineering firm than a supplier. My background's in engineering. I'm a mechanical engineer, and the way we approach our projects is that we come into it primarily as a technical partner, where we offer the expertise and experience of our entire team to execute on the vision of an architect. So for us, that looks like generally we'll get a set of drawings to bid. During the bidding process, we're looking at those drawings not just to put a price on it, but to figure out how we're going to build this. So oftentimes we're providing not only a bid to our customer, but also 3D sketches and renderings to really show them how their concept could become reality. Sometimes we'll create mock-ups during the bidding process to further illustrate how we're going to do the work that we do. We have a team of 5 engineers who work full-time in our engineering office, and they take our architectural drawings that we receive from our customers, and they make from them a set of very, very detailed engineered shop drawings. The shop drawings then are passed on to our team of craftsmen who fabricate the entire scope of the project. We've got guys that have been here for 30 years who love millwork, who love woodworking, and they partner up with our engineers to flesh out the design and details and see the problems before we run into them. A lot of projects will have other types of media, and so we've got the opportunity to develop relationships with a host of wonderful subcontractors, and then we've even taken it to the point of opening up our own metal shop here to do a lot of metal fabricating because we've seen that demand increasing, and the complexity has been such that it's better for us to have some more control over it. Corporate Woodworking was founded in 1989, and since that time we've had the opportunity to work with countless customers, architects, designers, and employees here within our company. We've been able to develop wonderful relationships with all types of different partners. As the landscape continues to change with new designs, materials, and equipment, we're excited to take on new challenges as a team, bringing our customers' vision from concept to reality for the next 30 years.